Welcome to 7 Trumpets Prepper. Guys, in this video today, I just want to share with you August 15 and 16. Mark it off on your calendar, because here we've got the Gatlinburg Convention Center. We've got the Ballroom C locked down for 2 days. We're going to have multiple speakers come out and speak, y'all willing. Also, the day before the event, on what would be the Friday the 14th, we're going to be doing a special baptism service down in Greenbrier. So for people that's made us aware that they wanted to do that over time, we're going to make that available so that that event can take place too before the actual conference. But this is the venue. We'll take you inside shortly and show you that cut from this. I really hope everyone can come out. Everyone that's donated, we're going to make sure that you get some of the best seating, because without the donations, it would be extremely hard to put this on. We still got to give thousands of dollars to make the rest of this happen, but the venue's secured. So with that said, I'm going to cut and go inside real quick and show you all that, and then I'll come back out and tell you a few last things. Ladies and gentlemen, right there will be where that you enter in through the convention center right here, and we'll get you a map and everything too if needed, and I get that up on the website. But right there's where the registration will be, and then you can go right into the venue right there through that area. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the event room. This is Ballroom C here at the Gatlinburg Convention Center. Now this wall there'll be a wall here and a wall here. So this large room here that you see will be where the speaking will be taking place. So behind me here will be the podium and the stage, and then the projector screen off the side. If we need to expand further in the room, we can. This venue's been acquired now for the 2 days. And then back there, outside those doors to the right, there is an area where that when you come in, you can get your information and everything before you come into the event. And now the way we'll have this is for people that's donated to the cause to this event. Obviously will be seated toward the front, and then the rest of the free seatings for everyone else in the back. This is 250 seats in this one area of the convention center, and then it can be expanded further if we need to. But I just want to share it with you. This has overhead sound, so it'll be equally distributed, the audio for the presenters and everything. And that's pretty much it for as far as inside the venue. Restrooms are nearby, and looking forward to it. I think it's going to be a great event. Guys, real quick, a real quick note before I tell you a few last things is it's very interesting. Today, Brother Joel joined me to help me get this set up. Praise Most High, y'all, for a good brother. A long time ago, Brother Joel told me today that he had the same idea to rent this center and call it Restoring the Foundations, and that's exactly what we named it today, and that's exactly what I had wrote down to do. And so that's really neat how the Most High Y'all works. Everything happens in its appropriate time. And so another thing that was interesting, Brother Joel wanted to have a variation of people come speak, and that's exactly what we're doing. We're going to have Flat Earth, the Hebrew Israelites, we're going to have the Father's name, the calendar. There's just going to be so many topics covered in days, preparing for the 7 Trumpets Revelation. I mean, like, if there's something that you want to hear about, it's probably going to be spoke at this event. So I just wanted to share that with you real quick for some last notes. Okay, so guys, like I said, make sure, remember, 15th and 16th is for this event. We're going to have the information up for hotels soon. We'll have the information up below where you can donate. If you want to donate through Cash App, PayPal, or mail in a check, the information's below. Parking, all those things we're going to have ironed out very soon. We'll also be posting up the speakers as they become available for the event and so on. I'm trying to think of anything else. There'll be a lot more update videos come up about this between now and August. So guys, if you got a chance, make sure to come out and be a part of this. It's going to be free to the public. And plus, while you're up here, guys, I mean, this is tourist capital out on the East Coast, one of the big tourist capitals right here. So, you know, you can bring your family up, enjoy the forest, and check around here and take a look. There's all sorts of things to do, the whole town to see. And so, you know, make sure to mark that off on the calendar and come out. And guys, I'm just excited about this. I hope it's edifying, uplifting, and I hope it helps change people's lives. So guys, as always, till we see you again here at the channel, hope Most High Yah Baruch you, keep you, make his face shine upon you, show you favor, and give you shalom, my friends, and Yahushua.